Right, today we have something quite simple. Okay, simple pagkain lang tayo ngayon. So, we'll be having sardines. Okay, so, masarap ang sardinas, ano? For some of you, medyo maarte dyan. Alright, sardines are nice. Actually, isa sa paborito namin sardinas yung roast bowl. So, panalo yun. If you get the chance, that's the best sardines that we've tasted for a long time, ano? So, now let's check our sugar. Okay, so my sugar right now is at 104. So, okay naman siya. Okay, so for the last couple of hours, it's been doing okay. Right. Kain tayo, guys. Pating bisa-bisa, panalo na. Alright. So, we'll see what happens after 1 hour. Okay, it's been a little over an hour. And mukhang okay naman ang ating sugar. Tingnan natin. You can see it's now 140. So, medyo steady naman siya, diba? So, within an hour, around 140 coming from a 104. So, okay lang naman. We're good, we're good. So, yun. Okay yung, okay yung roast bowl. So, that's it, guys. See you next time.